Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This one has the AMG line with a AMG interior and exterior appearance, 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex with Dynamica interior, brushed aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season floor mats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, turn heated seats on." Simple as that, you're able to use it as a smart device. Got a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, charging port, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This CLA has 7,106 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.